everyone, welcome to the Getting Started with Factory Design course. My name is Stephen Porath, and I'm a designated support specialist with Autodesk. I've been with Autodesk for over 5 years, and I'm focused on the manufacturing and automotive spaces. I've been providing enterprise-level support for applications that utilize SQL Server in combination with .NET for over 15 years. With Autodesk, I specialize on the Vault and Factory Design applications. Here are the goals for this course. On the What category, I'd like you to know how to set up and configure your factory design implementation, as well as understand the workflows within the factory design process. And finally, knowing what the asset library is and why it's important for your success. This is geared towards anyone who deals with factory layouts in their current organization. Thanks for joining, and we'll pick back up with the course outline.